Today we're going to show you a beautiful Monaco orange 1969 Corvette. It's powered by a 350 small block, 300 horsepower, numbers matching, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. If you guys are looking for a NCRS judged 69 Corvette in Monaco orange, look no further. Today we're going to give you guys a comprehensive walk around and test drive and let you decide if you want to put this beauty in your garage. Let's do it. Let's give this beautiful C3 a rating. I would rate this an 8 out of 10. That's an 80% out of 100. Mechanically amazing, does have the optional luggage rack. The reason for that rating, minor checking on the rear section of the deck lid where your fuel fill is. Otherwise, the paint condition is extremely nice. Once again, NCRS judged, and it is a top flight winner. You do have your turbine style caps with the Goodyear white striped tires in very good condition. All of your bright work, so all the components here, the bright work on the bottom is in extremely nice condition. Your mirror condition is nice. All of the actual bright work around the glass is in great shape and it still retains the original windscreen. Looking inside, you have vinyl black seats and they're in great shape. Once again, minor checking on some of the paint back here, and that's the reason for the rating. Opening up the door, you're gonna see that the door cards are very nice. It does have power windows, so your switch controller is in the center next to your emergency brake. Seat condition, very nice. Steering wheel is nice. It also has a telescopic wheel, which is a great option. And listen to the door close. As I spin it, I want you to note the optional luggage rack, which is in very nice shape. I do love the pinstriping on the whole entire side of the body, and it's glorious. You have the removable rear glass, which allows for great airflow with the T-top design. Looking at the top section up here, very nice and clean. All of your vents are very nice. There's no discoloration in between the grates. Once again, airflow will come through with the T-tops off. We have a T-top stowage bag for the vehicle, and it's included with the sale. Looking at the rear section, your bumper chrome is show quality. You have the dual exhaust, and looking underneath it, very nice and original. So click on the link below to see a full gallery of underside shots, outside shots, and studio shots. Your Corvette insignia is very nice. You have minor scratches near your alarm, so this will deactivate the ignition. Just minor imperfections. Your license plate holder is very nice, just minor tarnishing underneath it. And we're being very picky here. We tell you these things so you know exactly what you're getting. Look at our reviews, 100% positive feedback. We've sold a lot of cars online, sight unseen. Let's spin it. Passenger side condition is the same as the driver's side. You do have minor imperfections once again because of the age of the vehicle, 1969. So you do have some discoloration here on the door, and once again, minor checking on the rear section of the vehicle, which looks to be original paint. The front section looks like it's been repainted, and it's fantastic. Opening up the passenger side door, you're gonna see how beautiful the carpet is and the center section is. It's held up quite well. Door cards are in nice shape. All of your lock mechanisms are very nice. All the bolts are in great shape too, and the rubbers look good. Let's close it and continue to spin it. Passenger side fender, same condition as the driver's side. Stingray insignia right here. Once again, 300 horsepower. And we're gonna pop the hood right now. To pop the hood, it's easy. It's gonna fold forward. You release the hood. Then you can open up the engine bay. So under the hood, you have a 350 small block, 300 horsepower. You still have the smog pump present, new filters throughout. Air conditioned system is the factory AC system, and it works properly. You have the proper cover for your distributor, power steering, power brakes, fan clutch is nice, and look at the overall original condition of this piece. Top of the hood is proper, painted in black. All of your latches look nice. Let's close it and continue inside. Interior condition, very nice. Once again, you do have a telescoping wheel. You also have tilt, so you can adjust to your preference. You do have the speed sensor right there, so if you twist the lever, you can set it to a certain speed and it'll beep when you get to that designated speed. All of your center section, very nice. Clock is still operating. You have your air condition, you have your seatbelt button, so it's a manual reminder. So you have to click this button when you get inside, it'll light up and then you turn off the illumination. Your mat pockets are very nice. Dash condition up top, very good condition. Your visors are nice, and then all of the latches or the mechanisms which would mount the T-tops, great shape. Seat condition's nice. You have your center section here with the 3-speed automatic transmission, your climate control, and then you have your designation for the motor. So it's 350 cubic inches, I've said this like 10 times, 380 foot-pounds of torque, and the compression ratio is 10.25 to 1. When you put the key in the ignition, you're gonna hear the buzzer, which is proper. Ignition on, you'll have your seatbelt button. You can click that, turn it off. And then the door jar light is operating as well. Air conditioned vents are nice and tight. And then you do have a radio, which operates. Let's start it up really quick and take it for a test drive. Starts up nicely, great oil pressure, battery's charging. Before we go for a test drive, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to click like and subscribe below. Also, if you want to support us, we do have merchandise from keychains, hats, and t-shirts. One thing to note, we're going to have designations for all of the engine stampings, transmission stampings in the link below. Let's do it. Oh, I love it. We're taking this beautiful Corvette out for a test drive. What we're gonna do is go over all the features. So speedometer's working, tachometer's working, fuel gauge, temperature's going up slowly, our clock is working, and guess what? The air condition is ice cold. You have your controls right here. Radio works as well. Lights operate. And they close nicely. Steering is nice and tight, and once again you do have a telescopic and tilt, so you can adjust your wheel. Probably shouldn't do that when you're driving. Turn signals operate both ways. Emergency brake lights work as well, so on the dash it works. We're gonna jump on Marina Mile right now and get you guys some beautiful outside shots. No hesitation from the carburetor. Going 40 miles an hour, nice and smooth. I love that the AC is blowing right now. I'll turn it off just because we're driving. Mirrors are nice and tight on both sides. Engine pulls nicely. Glass is clean. Wipers operate. And it actually, the package tray actually closes properly, which is a big deal. So essentially, everything that you need to operate on this one is working as it should. We're cruising at 48 miles per hour. We're about to go over the Marina Mile Bridge. We are centrally located in Fort Lauderdale, so if you want to fly in or have an inspector come and look at it, you're more than welcome to. We do not allow test drives. This is your test drive, so you're seeing it in action. We drive them for about 20 minutes, so if there's going to be an overheating issue, it's going to happen while we're driving it. And in this case, our temperature is good. It's 170-ish right now. Should get to around 175, 180 once we're done. It's very hot here. T-tops are off because why not? It's beautiful out. Give it gas. It downshifts properly. We're going to turn here and we'll give it a little bit more gas so you can see that it operates properly. It's going to shift firmly. You don't have any lagging in the transmission. Ashtray condition is nice and clean. Cigarette lighter is very nice. You can hear the turn signal indicator as well. All right, let's test out the acceleration. You ready? Woo! Shifts nicely. Nice and smooth. That's to operating speed. Does what it's supposed to do. Downshifted, shifted firmly. What we're going to do is we're going to take a right here go over our signature bumps and let you decide if you want to put this in your collection. 954-363-2261, NCRS Top Flight Award. Obviously a lot of documentation. Take a look at the gallery below. And if you guys are looking for a true collectible C3, look no further. Paint condition's nice, drivability's nice, cold air condition. Taking a corner here. Nice and smooth. Temperature is staying steady, so it's steady at 175. Here comes the first set of bumps. We'll turn the lights on. Big dip. Nice and smooth. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm out of here.